Okay, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna do a part two of how to cook but not swimming in buttermilk biscuits. Okay, so I am still distraught about these buttermilk biscuits. So I am trying to rectify my mistakes. So I will be turning my frown into a sunny side up egg. So at this point, I have microwaved this swimming in butter biscuits that I made earlier. So I'm still trying to work with it, just trying to figure out how to fix it. Okay. Um, I microwaved it a little bit. So now what I did was I grabbed a medium sized saucepan. I didn't oil it. As I stated, this biscuit had a lot of butter. So I was just still trying to figure this out. But anyway, I just grabbed a medium saucepan. I didn't add any additional oil to it. So I just kind of heated up a little bit. Okay, so Cody is walking away from me. Because he knows that, I don't like, he knows that I didn't like this. Okay. So, please come back. Okay. But anyway, back to these biscuits. So you see all that butter still in that pan. That's still a lot of butter. So that's why I didn't add anything, else to the pan. So, but I wanted to sear it to kind of get it hard a little bit. I'm still trying to figure out, how to work with this, swimming in butter biscuit. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to harden it up a little bit. As you can see, I still did not add any oil whatsoever. I'm just patting it down, see if I can still get some of this butter out because there's a lot of butter in this biscuit, okay? If I didn't state it earlier, you are watching CoCoGlen Life. Please like, subscribe, and share. Okay, Cody, are you coming back? Okay, you coming back? Okay, come on, Cody. I figured it out. Okay, Cody, thank you for coming back. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, Cody. Thank you. Thank you for coming back. You're a good dog. Anyway, decided to put it on a pretty plate. And, still got a lot of butter in it. So I'm going to do something to get this butter off because I still feel like it's a lot of butter. So anyway, so I'm going to grab a couple of paper towels. That's not shown, but that's what I'm doing behind the scenes. With the same pan that I used to heat the buttermilk biscuits on, I grab an egg, crack it open, heat it to medium. Um, One egg, I put some everything seasoning by Joy Spice uh, in Hampton, Georgia. She has really good everything seasoning that consists of like sesame seeds, black sesame seeds, garlic, smoked Himalaya salt. So that's what I have on there. I thought I had that in the pic, but it's on there. So that's where you see the black specks are. What I heated my pan with is a teaspoon of olive oil and a teaspoon of butter. That's it. So I generally do not eat sunny side up eggs, but I feel like at this time this egg is pretty appropriate. And you see how that egg is moving around in the pan? You want to keep, if that egg is moving around in the pan like that, that indicates that egg is pretty much done. So you can pretty much do what you want to on that. You can take it off if you want to. So at this point, I am going to take it off because it is the consistency that I would like to have. Okay, so all right, so I'm grabbing this nice plate, and this is the result of my seared swimming in butter biscuits on a plaid plate. Okay, and I put the egg on it with the everything seasoning from Joy Spice in Hampton, Georgia. Very good seasoning, very good seasoning. So you also have the option of Adding chili oil at this point. Oh yeah, that's a close up. You see that dark sesame seed mixed with that brown? Yeah. Okay, I don't know why I'm showing this again, but again, slapping that over that seared swimming in butter biscuit. At this point, I have already patted it down, remove the excess butter. So I like how it look at this point. So I'm turning everything off. I'm really, really happy at this result. So this is how I really turn how to cook while turning my frown upside down or sunny side up with an egg. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching CoCoGlen's Life.